Hey guys, what's up? So I have an eBay unboxing. This is a Whale Corpse Bride collection doll. It is a plush actually. I'm very excited. You can see my Corpse Bride posters in the back. I love Corpse Bride, Night Before Christmas, Tim Burton movies. So excited to open this up. I've been wanting to have this for a while. When I saw this on eBay, I actually didn't have a job at this time, so I didn't get it. But I saw that it was online again on eBay, and I do have a job, of course, and it was on sale for 100 and something, but I bid on it and I got it for 110. So yeah, very excited. They actually had two types of like Corpse Bride doll plush, but I decided to go with this one, and this one that I saw before, and plus it just looked like more like her, so I went with this one. So yeah, I'm super excited to open it up. And I'm nervous to see what it looks like. And so yeah, and of course it's really rare to get a hold of Corpse Bride collection stuff, because obviously the movie came out a while ago, so it's very rare. So I'm super excited to have this Whale collectible, and it's a plush. Like, you don't see too many of that. So yeah, I'm very excited to open it, and this came the whole way from the UK, so it's really cool. So yeah, and if you don't know, I actually have this. This is my like action kind of figure kind of doll, and I got this a while ago for Christmas. So yeah, she's really cute, and I love her, very pretty. And then this is the back of her. So yeah, so I have her, and well, my parents got me her for Christmas, and she actually came off of eBay. Not eBay, she came off of Amazon, but this came off of eBay. But yeah, let's open it up. Enough of talking. I'm so nervous because I'm like, it looks so cool online. So, and it's brand new too. And the person put do not bend too, so you know, they really updated me on stuff. A lot of tape. I'm like trying to be really gentle too, so I'm gonna put it down real quick. Okay, so jeez, I forgot my scissors, so okay, so oh, this is weird. It had two bags, and then it has another one. So here she is. She's in this bubble wrap. You cannot even see her. I don't even know. I'm thinking this is the front of her. I'm so excited. Sorry if it has bad lighting. My room is like bad lighting, and like the sun went down. It wasn't really sunny today at all. Okay, so I can see her. This is definitely the front of her. This is super hard to get open. So much bubble tape. Can you see her, guys? Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, she looks so pretty. I'm obsessed with Corpse Bride. That's my favorite movie. So, and then Night Before Christmas. Okay. Oh my goodness. Here she is. I didn't see her yet. Oh my god. This is super cool. It's not what I thought she would be. Like, not really necessarily a plush. But, yeah, super cool though. Look at her. This is super cool. And her head moves. Like, look at that. Her head actually moves. That's pretty cool. So yeah, this is what she looks like. Let me present her kind of better. Her legs are kind of crisscross here. So this is what she looks like. And then here is her dress. You can see all the detail there. And then this is her arms. And then you can see she has her ring on. You can see a little like stitch kind of area. So yeah, and then of course she still has her tag there. And this is her dress. And then it has the slit here. And then this is her legs. And of course, her little skeleton leg here. So that is her leg, and then her shoes. And then look at her, I'm sorry, but look at her cute underwear she has on. I just noticed that. And then this is the back of her. So pretty cool. Her dress doesn't have too much detail, like on the bottom. It's really hard to tell to see like the design. I don't know, my camera keeps focusing on me. I don't know if you guys can, oh, now you can kind of see it. You can kind of see the design right there. But yeah, and then the beadwork is pretty beautiful. And of course you can see that there. And then this is her face. Really pretty. And then this is her hair. I didn't show you guys her hair. But this is her hair. It's just like yarn basically. So, yeah. So this is it. Oh, her head was torn. So you can see, you could turn her head. But yeah, this is Emily. Pretty cool. Like I said, it's not what I expected. I actually thought she was bigger than this. But like, I still really love her. And it's a collector item. Like, you know what I mean? You cannot really get this really anywhere. And I just think this is such a cool item to have. And you know, of course, I have my big poster. I'll show you guys. So, I don't know if you guys can see. I have my tripod on, so sorry if you see the sound, but this is what my Close Bride posters look like. And you can see Scraps is right there. So, yeah. Now my camera's gonna get all funky, but yeah, so yeah, like I said, it's not what I expected it to be. I thought it was bigger or whatever, but I think it definitely is, like, you know, kind of with the money, because it is a collector item. Like, you can't really find, you know, Close Bride items like this, and she's really beautiful. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't see too many people unboxing a Close Bride plush, so yeah, pretty cool. She's not really like a plush, really. I mean, she is like a doll. She is like really hard, but yeah, I think it's really cool that her head moves, because that, like, the eBay seller did not say that. So it's pretty cool, and you know, she's really well detailed, and I love her. She does have a, you could tell her paint of her eye, like, is missing. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Oh, and look at her face right here. I forgot. I didn't even see that. So yeah, pretty cool. And then she has like a stain here, so she's not like brand new like the seller did say. You could see that. So I mean, obviously the seller probably had her sitting out and stuff, but you know, that's kind of what you get on eBay. You know what I mean? Your older things, they'll say it's new, but they're not really. But I think she's really pretty, and yeah, I love her. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. So, yeah.